So some time ago, I bought me a set of sawhorses. Now, don't go thinking I don't know how to make sawhorses, because I do. I've made plenty out of wood, and I've made some out of steel that I've actually got standing up outside, back on the other side of the garage, right back there. But I saw some online. I thought I'll just order me a couple of those. They were little plastic sawhorses, and they weren't much good, but they were workable. I modified them a little bit, and I was never crazy about them, but I got by with them. And then the other day I thought, well, what I was doing is putting the tarp over the top of my boat, the blue boat back here, and I needed something. You know, I got a strap tent kind of looking thingy that holds that tarp up. I needed something back here, so I set a couple of those plastic sawhorses over there and put a boat paddle on top of them and put my boat cover on top of that, and that seemed like it worked real good. But then I needed me another sawhorse, so I ordered these ones, and I hadn't even looked at them yet. They weren't that much more expensive than what I paid for that plastic one, so I felt like they couldn't be too bad. So Bill wants to do some painting over here. I was thinking I might take these sawhorses and get them out, and I got a couple of boards we were using the other day for something that I can pull out, and we can put them on these, and then we can put his Studebaker parts up on the boards, and when he gets ready to paint. So let's just see how these things come. Oh yeah, let's see how it is now. Like this. You notice how I'm following the instructions really closely. Oops. So much for that. All right. Step one. She's like truck balls of fire. This is to extend the legs, press the button while supporting the legs with the other hand. There's a button. Oh, there's a button. Well, look here. That must be the button right there. Roll that baby over, press the button. Look at that. That comes up, and this comes out. Like this. That's good. I like that. And this one here comes out. And press the button. And then these come out. When these come out, they lock down here, which is good. These say Toughbuilt. Maybe they are. They look strong enough. Just plain old everyday uses. One of the things I like about these is they got room to, like you could put a 2x4 across on these and make them into a table pretty quick. That'd be nice. I'm not going to use a 2x4, but I will get my flat. I had some 2x8s, 2x6s or something here the other day. I'll get a couple of them. We'll roll this baby back over there. And we'll repeat the previous procedure right here. Open these up. Do the same thing on the other end. These also have a little space here where if you wanted to put a board across down here for extra strength down at the bottom of the leg, you can do that. That's a good thing. So these are Toughbuilt sawhorse job site table. It's 2,200 pounds. Well, that's more than I weigh, so I think we're safe there. And it's got a sandpapery kind of rough edge here, so that if something's sitting on there, it'll sit pretty good. I'll get two before we run alongside of that and see how that works. Just happened to have one when we were putting those seats on the back of the boat the other day. I brought out some boards we used to prop up on the back of the boat. And see, that works good. Got some more boardage over here. I had a few days where I got a little bit behind on my video making. Sometimes I get busy with real life things. I'm pretty sure I'm busy with real life things for a day or two. But I thought I'd try to bring y'all along with me today, try to catch up, atone myself for my sins, my previous sins, not letting y'all into every aspect of my existence, which is probably about one of the most boring things you can imagine in reality. But we try to make it seem like it's something, you know, keeps out of trouble. Now, what was I going to do with this? Y'all remember? I put this up here for a reason. What was the reason? Oh, I know. I've got a little sidearm for the couch, and I was going to clean it. I thought it'd be good to get it up out of the rocks. See, I had my seats covered, but I didn't cover this thing. This is kind of like an armrest. I was thinking it wasn't too bad, and maybe I could clean it up. So it's not all mildewed, moldy. It just looks like it's dirty. Let's see. I use this stuff here. This is Spray Away glass cleaner. I use it for a lot of things. Not doing too much so far, but I might want to clean up if I rub it a little bit. A bit more. This is the better one too. I've got another one that looks a lot worse than this one. If this one don't clean up, I probably won't mess with trying to clean up that other one. That's too good to me. Also, my neighbor has one of these that's new in a box. They got a pontoon boat. They bought new furniture for theirs, and they never did use one of these couch ends. So she's gonna bring that over after a while, and we'll try it out and see how it looks. If it looks like it matches up and fits and all. I should let me pay her what she paid for that. This one isn't great, but actually this side goes up against the couch. This side with the little box. There's a side here with a little place where you could throw your winter hat and your driving gloves and your bikini and your empty margarita glasses and all that stuff over in there. Might be my wife right there. I'm gonna see what she's up to. Love y'all. Talk to you in a little bit more later.